How to use ChatGPT to update your resume. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. Now to use ChatGPT to update your resume, what you can do is you can proceed to open up ChatGPT first. So here you're gonna open up a new chat. Now if you have your resume as a document or as an image, you can tap on plus icon there and then proceed to select one from photos or take a photo or select from files, right, and upload your resume. Once your resume has been uploaded, right, this way, then we can ask ChatGPT update my resume. So you can feed the information to ChatGPT, such as you can give the prompt, right? So you can type in act as an expert resume writer and recruiter. I'm applying for this job at this company. Below is my current resume. Update my resume to align with my role, and you can add in your skills that you have and all things that you want to update, and ChatGPT will automatically do that for you. So hope this video was helpful. To like and subscribe as well.